Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another session with Trading Flow LLC. And as you know, we're here to show our journey on getting our account funded with the ProFarm account that we go with 5%ers, and we're trying to share um, the journey, you know, to getting the account funded. So last week, um, I told you guys I'll keep you guys posted as to the progress of the account and how the trades are going. Um, so I decided to close the trade yesterday, the first swing trade which I opened, and I closed it at around 1975, 76, and I closed in profit. Let's have a look at that. Uh, just a second. So this is the profit I got off it, which is $165. And as you guys were seeing from the previous video, um, you know, I held this trade all the way from um, 2030, 2033 till 1975. Now, this move could definitely still be going down. Um, As you can see, it's below this trend line here, which I drew, which I said could also be a potential shampoo pattern, which I earlier talked about from, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. And right now we are below it. If you're a day trader for today, market came around this point here, whereby you could have scalped from here to here, um, possibly also leaving a trail which will run till around 1977. But we're not going to talk about that today because we're not talking about the day trading. We're talking about the journey to getting this account funded. So, yeah, for day traders, they could have made some good money on this move here. Uh, I'm not saying it was a bad one, it was actually quite good for today's scalps, but we're not doing that for now. Right now, we're focusing on getting this account funded. Anyway, so right now, I'm closed out. I have no trade running, so I will be waiting for the next swing trade, and then we shall see from there. Shall see how far the market can go. So for right now, I'm out, and I will be out till I see the market changing direction to the upper side. Then I will grab that swing up, profit from that, and then stay out. So the target is $400. So right now I'm at 165, which is the reason as to why I decided to take profit. I could have held the trade much, much longer until the market actually reverses. But because we're doing a challenge, I mean, it's not time bound or anything, but I'm also looking for a way of hitting the target earlier. Although ideally, that's not what a trader should be doing. You should be aiming to get the best trades that you can and try to get the most of a move from a trend, the maximum the trend can give you, which I did not do. I just simply closed because I felt like I am close to halfway the target. So if I can just get that, get it banked and then get another swing and also do the same thing, I will have achieved the target for the phase one. So I'm not looking at getting this done in the shortest time possibly because if I did, I would have been mixing the swing trading with the day trading. But I'm not looking to do that. I am totally not. I am strictly sticking to taking only the swing trades so that we see how safe it will get us funded. Doesn't matter how long, the objective is to get funded. It shouldn't be that long, but um, overall, we're looking at safety, security, risk management, and getting the account funded. That's it. So for now, this is all I'll be sharing with you guys. I'll keep in touch with you guys and keep you posted on the next moves. And you know, share this journey along with you guys to show you uh, how I got this account funded. And so the plan is I'm already actually trading funded accounts. So I plan to get the money from this account uh, to buy another bigger challenge with another prop firm of probably 100K, which I will also probably document here and show you guys the journey on how to get funded with it. Um, yeah, so there'll be basically that. Yeah, yeah, that's it. All right, guys, have a great day and hit that like button, follow, and subscribe. Keep in touch with us so that whenever these videos come out, we always keep you updated and you're always in check with us and know what's going on. See you guys later.